the mindset just coming into game two, coming off that game one loss?
I think we just need to be better and clean up a few areas of our game, and you got to give them credit too. They're a good team, and I think we're just looking to fix a few things and just play hard tonight.
Is there a difference between in the mentality going in game two when you don't play your best hockey and that there's those improvements to make as compared to a 1-0 overtime loss or something like that where you just played really really well?
Yeah, I think they all feel the same, right? Whether you win or whether you lose 6-0 or 1-0 in overtime, it's still tough to swallow. But yeah, I think we're just looking to kind of redeem ourselves and just improve a few spots of our game and just like I said, just play hard and play simple.
When you're looking for some of those improvements, one of the things that John's talked about with Nelly and some of the guys is the forecheck. Is that a point of emphasis going into tonight?
Yeah, I think forecheck's just one of the things on our list that we need to improve on and get better at. So, we took yesterday to try to take a deep breath and regroup a little bit. So yeah, we're just looking to finish up or clean up a few things and hopefully finish this trip on the right note.
And I know game one didn't go the way you guys wanted. But just how much fun is it just being here and being in this position with a chance to bring home a Calder Cup?
Yeah, it's obviously very special, and our older guys keep saying that. Our leaders, they say that you got to cherish it, and we're trying to do that and let that sink in. But at the same time, we got to be a little better and give ourselves a chance if we want to bring that cup home.
Thanks, man.
Thanks, guys.